Hey everyone, I'm Chris Woodland, respiratory therapist and director of respiratory for Southmedic. Thanks for watching this video on how to use the Oxy₂Mask. Oxy₂Mask is a new generation of oxy mask that is one of the safest oxygen masks to use, one that will be more comfortable for your patients. So that means they'll want to keep it on, and a mask that is both easy to use and saves time for clinicians. Oxy₂Mask is an open mask, meaning it has all these holes in it. We'll get back to those in another video, but it's an open mask that replaces all the traditional masks you likely use today, and it can deliver between 24 to 90% FiO₂ with no mandatory minimum flow rate. Up to 90% FiO₂ at 15 liters per minute. That's up to 10% more than a non-rebreather mask can deliver. Now, people understandably wonder how a mask with a whole bunch of holes in it can deliver up to 90% FiO₂, and I get it, but the answer is in the technology of the mask. The triangle inside the mask is called the diffuser, and Oxy₂ technology really maximizes the potential of how the oxygen gets delivered to the patient. Oxygen comes up the tubing, bends at 90 degrees at the elbow, and enters the diffuser. Then the oxygen molecules hit the inside of the curved diffuser plate and start to spin on their own axis in an organized cluster of oxygen. We call these oxygen clusters velocity vortices. This concentrated cloud of oxygen then pours out of the diffuser through 4 ports, 1 directed to the nose, 3 pointing to the mouth. This intentionally formed cloud of concentrated oxygen that Oxy₂Mask directs toward the nose and mouth, exactly where it needs to go, is why Oxy₂Mask can deliver up to 90% FiO₂ in a mask with a whole bunch of holes. No matter who requires oxygen therapy, we have an Oxy₂Mask for you. An open style mask that's one of the safest and most comfortable masks available today. Because that's what we believe at Southmedic. We believe in finding a better way for you and your patients. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check us out at thebetteroxygenmask.com. We'll see you next time.